Okay guys, for me one problem with having an Indian ringneck is that she's a matriarch, and as can be typical, she's not always nice to the other birds. However, she finally had her first clutch of babies. I am so thrilled. She's not gonna let us see them now. Let's see your babies. Look at that. And you won't be able to quite see. The very far left baby is an albino. Can't wait to see what color their feathers are. All right, Milo, we'll leave you alone now. Yes, I'll close the door. Here. But I'm really thrilled because there's not much that Milo does. There's mom. Blurry mom, blurry dad. There we go. You know, because she doesn't socialize a lot with other birds, so I'm really thrilled that now they're gonna have their babies. They have their babies, and so it gives them purpose. So I've got a happy pair of Indian ringnecks. Yay!